Hey guys, this is Arthur, your favorite educational streamer and your newest Corsair ambassador. So, for my first official video as an ambassador, I'm going to teach you guys how to press your advantage and be the best player out there with the help of this keyboard right here. Cue the unboxing montage. This is Corsair's new flagship keyboard, the K100. Why do they call it the K100 leh? That's because unlike the previous one, which is the K95 Platinum XT, this comes with a few new extra features that round the 95 up to 100 and makes this the perfect keyboard for you to beat your opponents with. So without further ado, let's go through all the new features of this keyboard. Okay, you might ask, why do I need a wheel to change my brightness? Well, the IQ control wheel does a lot of other things as well. You can program it to scroll through Spotify to find the perfect darkening soundtrack, scroll through video timelines to create the perfect highlight reel, and even use it to zoom in and out of Photoshop so you can make sure all your blackheads are gone. Nice, right? If you are familiar with Corsair's keyboards, you know that the higher-end keyboards have this RGB strip along the top of the keyboard, which is called the RGB Light Edge. But just in case you feel that you need even more RGB, Corsair now has extended the light edge to the sides of the keyboard as well. What's more, the extended light edge has a total of 44 lighting zones for you to program however you like. If you want to use it to keep track of your win-lose streak in Dota, you can do that too. OPX switches and Axon hyper processing technology. Whew, that's a lot of words, right? Let me explain it to you. Corsair OPX switches are optical mechanical switches, which means instead of a physical contact point, it uses light instead. So basically, there's a beam of infrared light going across. Once your key touches the light, it will instantly register your keystroke, faster than light mode. Meanwhile, Axon hyperprocessing technology is a kind of tech that delivers your inputs up to 4 times faster than the average performance gaming keyboard. Together, it means your keyboard can keep up to your lightning fast reflexes, but of course we know it only shows up when someone flames you lah. Also, apart from all the features that I mentioned above, the Corsair K100 also have a bunch of classic features that gamers like you and me will definitely enjoy. There's the same row of macro keys on the left with built-in Elgato Stream Deck integration, which means you can do things like start and stop streams and recordings without having to buy a Stream Deck. Can save money, means it's good. There's also a detachable leatherette wrist rest that snaps onto your keyboard faster than you can say stick together team. So, are you ready to buy one? Huh? How much ah? I'm the ambassador, so it's free for me. Thank you, Corsair. Anyway, I hope my little introduction has piqued your curiosity over this beautiful baby here. And if you want to know more, please head on to the link below. This is Arthur signing off, and I'll see you guys very soon.